Hi, this is Steve from Codename One. I just want to show off our new Maven migration tool to help you migrate your old Codename One projects from Ant to the new Maven project format. So this tool was built with Codename One, and I targeted only the desktop. So to start out, we'll go to the Maven migration tool repo on GitHub. You can see the URL here, and find the latest version and download the bundle that says migration tool, Java SE, and then version.zip. And this will be a Java SE desktop app with an executable jar. As long as you have Java installed, you should be able to run this. Oops, I've already got it here, so I'm going to delete that download. And I've extracted it. So the first time you open it, if you're on a Mac, you're going to need to right-click and go open. You can't just double-click it because Mac, especially at least on Big Sur and the newer versions, don't let you just open it up directly because it's not signed. Okay, so I'm going to go open. It's going to give me a big warning, can't verify the developer, and I'm going to disregard that. So, okay, here's my tool. The first thing I can do is I can specify the version number that I want to use for Codename One. If I just leave it as latest, or I delete that out and leave it blank, then it'll automatically download the latest version of Codename One from Maven Central. And that's what it'll use for the conversion of your project. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my source project. And in this case, I am going to select the kitchen sink app that I've downloaded from GitHub. And the last thing I'm going to do is select the destination directory where I want it saved. And I'm just going to save it to the downloads directory. So you notice the destination directory, I didn't need to create a kitchen sink specific directory. It's going to place the converted project inside the downloads directory, and it's going to name it the artifact ID. Now, when I'm doing an application project, it's going to automatically use the package name that's specified in the project's Codename One settings file as the group ID for Maven, and it's going to use a lowercase version of the main name for your application. So I just have to input these two fields, and under the covers it's going to be using the Maven archetype, or the Maven goal to do the conversion. So I press create project, and now I can watch the progress in the terminal at the bottom here. I'll make that a bit bigger. And there we go. When it's done, it tells me that my project's been created. I click OK, and it's going to open it right up for me here. And I can open this project in IntelliJ, in Eclipse, in, well, you name it, whatever else I want to do it in. Okay, so I'm done that. Actually, I might as well do it right now. I was going to do a separate video for the libraries, but I might as well just do it all in one here. So if I want to do a library project, it'll be a bit different. So I'm going to select, and I've got the file chooser library that I had made before, and here it is, CN1 file chooser. I go open there. You'll notice it automatically recognizes that it's a library project, and now it's given me two additional fields here, group ID and artifact ID, because it can't figure that out automatically from the library. So I'm just going to do codename one for my group ID, and for the artifact ID I will do file chooser. That sounds good. So I'm going to create the project. Just crossing my fingers because I haven't tried converting this particular project yet. There it is. All done, and there is my project. Similar layout to the application project. I can open this in NetBeans, IntelliJ, Eclipse, or work with it directly from the command line. So using the migration tool, it should be a fairly simple thing now to move all of your old Ant projects into Maven. I thank you for watching this video, and happy coding.